This is Microduck, an open-source bipedal robot that stands just 25 centimeters tall. Developed by Pollen Robotics in partnership with Hugging Face, it is specifically designed to bring physical AI training right onto your workbench. Instead of treating the robot like a traditional machine that only follows a fixed sequence of commands, Pollen Robotics intelligently trains its behaviors using reinforcement learning. The developer can easily adjust the training, run it again, and instantly deploy the improved policy back onto the physical Microduck. In terms of control, Microduck beautifully operates as a hybrid platform. It relies on autonomous AI to handle the complex physics of balancing and moving, but you can absolutely direct its high-level actions using remote controls. The onboard control system runs its learned policy at 50 Hz. This means the robot is continuously updating its movement roughly 50 times every single second as it expertly tries to maintain its motion and overall balance. The robot also features onboard microphones and a speaker, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, plus 2 NFC antennas, with one cleverly located in the head and another right in the beak. Fascinatingly, each robot can generate its own characteristic voice when it first wakes up. This brilliantly gives individual units their own permanent audio identity, filled with quirky, personalized sounds. As for pricing, pre-orders officially opened on August 27th at an introductory price of $399 before taxes and shipping. The first units are strongly expected to arrive before Christmas of that same year across North America, Europe, and the UK.